All right, here's a little history lesson for you. If you have one of these in your house and you don't know what it is, this is actually an old phone cable module type thing. This is actually a pretty good indication of when this room was built. In the mid 1960s, this was being phased out by the modular connector, the one that you might be used to that looks like an Ethernet cable. And by the 1970s, these were completely discontinued. They actually made an adapter that it has 4 prongs. If you notice, these holes are offset, so you could never put this in the wrong way. And the reason that there's 4 of them, you really only need 2 wires for a phone to work, but the reason that there's 4 is because if somebody needed 2 lines, you could run 2 lines into the house, and that's why there's 4, because you really only need 2. And the modern designs have 4 as well. But those really don't exist anymore because everybody has a cell phone. Hopefully you enjoyed that little history lesson. I don't know, it's kind of a cool thing. It's completely going to be non-existent going forward, but it's cool to come across stuff like this.